Dear friends, I would like to sincerely congratulate you on the end of the holy month of Ramadan and on the upcoming Oraza Bayram. May the magic of this Eid bring lots of happiness in your life, and may you celebrate it with all your close family and loved ones. This is now the second year that this holiday is observed amidst extraordinary circumstances due to the coronavirus pandemic, which really has affected the way people observe this occasion all around the world. Therefore, I would like to encourage everyone to stay safe this Oraza Bayram and to continue to follow all the preventive health measures we know will keep us and our family safe. Washing hands often, wearing masks and observing physical distancing. Kaderli dostlar, size ve akşamsarlık ve üstünlükler sizin başkalarınıza bol sabah ve avalançlık arzu ederim. Mukaddes Oraza Bayramınız kutlu olsun.